Dear student brothers and sisters, welcome to today's class of discussion of writing an application to the SDO electrical against frequent power cut. Now before that, let us do Brahmana. Now let us discuss. You are going to write an application to the SDO electrical or subdivisional officer electrical complaining against frequent power cut. So now this is the topic. Write an application to the SDO electrical complaining against power cut. Suppose your locality is Premnagar 7th lane. So first of all you will write the place of writing application. So you are from Premnagar, so you will write 7th lane Premnagar, Brahmapur, 1st September 2020. 1st September is the date of writing. So 1st September 2020. Then the official address of the SDO electrical that you should write in the application. SDO, the full form of SDO is sub-divisional officer, electrical subdivision. So now let us write to the SDO electrical subdivision Brahmapur, to Deshganja. Brahmapur, Deshganja. Brahmapur, Deshganja. So this is the official address of the SDO electrical. This is the official address of the sub-divisional officer electrical. So after writing the address, you will official address of the SDO. You will write the subject of application. So the subject of application is complaints against frequent power cut. So this is the subject of the application. Now after the subject you should write the salutation of the application. So let us write this. Now this is place of writing and date, and this is official address of the SDO. Then how to salute or how to write the salutation of the application. Salutation, that is sir, then put a comma after sir. Then in the straight line, in that line don't write anything. Below that paragraphically write the body of the application or the content of the application. So sir, respectfully I would like to intimate you that the inhabitants of Premnagar Seventh Lane has a lot of problems due to undeclared and frequent power cut. Now see, this is the content of the application. Like this you will write, continue writing. Respectfully, I would like to intimate you that the inhabitants of Premnagar 7th lane face a lot of problems due to the undeclared and frequent power cut. Now, then you will, with this you will write establishments and students face a lot of problems due to the undeclared power cut, and old people and patients face a lot of problems, and particularly in this area, as because of power cut in this area, antisocial elements create problems and do nuisance in residential area. This is the first paragraph of the application so far as the content is concerned. Then in the second paragraph you will write, in this paragraph you will continue writing like this what I said, and in the second paragraph you will write I should be thankful. Paragraphically you will write I should be thankful. I should be thankful to, not thankful, I should be grateful. I should be grateful to you. I should be grateful to you. Grateful to you if you would kindly look into the matter, and take necessary steps towards the problem of power cut to make it towards the problem of power cut and to make normal power supply to our area. Normal power supply to our area. Thanking you. Then in the closing part you write. Thanking you. In the closing part here, in the closing part you write thanking you. Then you will write yours sincerely or faithfully. Yours sincerely or yours faithfully. Yours faithfully, Ramachandra Das. Suppose your name is Ramachandra Das, you write Ramachandra Das. Write Ramachandra Das, corporator, Premnagar, 7th lane. Premnagar, 7th lane. So like this, you will write the application like this. The closing part of the subscription you will write like this of the application, and like this the application you will have to write. Now this is all about how to write an application to the SDO electrical complaining against frequent and undeclared power cut in your locality. Now I have shown you how to write. So that is all about writing this application. With this video class, I will send you a photocopy of model application on complaining against frequent power cut to the SDO electrical. As I have already told you how to write the application, on that a model photocopy I will send you with this video. That's all. Thank you.